Hi, welcome here to the Curic Training Centre. Today we're going to demonstrate the Curic mixing bucket and how this works with the complete system when you're out on the roof. The main important parts of the bucket, what we've got is the volume gauge. Now this volume gauge is split into 3 columns. First, on the last chart there, we've got the Hardner edition. Now the Hardner edition, you've now got 4 different columns, ranging from cold days right up to warm days. As you can see, I wanted 2 square metres of resin for the 450 gram, which I've put now into my bucket. And if I come along to the Hardner edition chart, I've got my 4 columns ranging in temperatures. It's important to use the right Hardner for the right time of year. Any dregs left in the bucket, like so this one here, once it's cured, once it's gone hard, all you need to do is just press it around the bucket, peel the resin from the bucket. That way then, the bucket is fresh to go. Use it again and again